And our top story tonight, new health recommendations are officially on the way from the president's team. Today, the White House announced plans for the CDC to release updated face mask guidelines for people all across the country. The original guidance saying not to wear a mask unless you were sick or caring for someone who may be sick may now be changing tonight. The FDC believes people without visible symptoms could be spreading the coronavirus. And with worldwide cases now topping 1 million, health leaders are looking at every protective option as a possibility. I want to give you a little context to all of this tonight. If the CDC does recommend Americans begin using face masks, it's not expected to be mandatory. It may only apply to hotspots experiencing community spread. The CDC says new potential guidelines would suggest using cloth masks to avoid running up the demand for those medical masks, which, as you know, are already in short supply. Students here in Indiana tonight won't be heading back to school anytime soon. The superintendent of public instruction said today kids will finish up this school year online because of this pandemic. Tonight, Alan Carter has reaction from administrators and a student who was hoping she'd be able to walk across the stage at graduation.
Well, the announcement today was expected, but I still think everyone, from administrators to teachers and even students, were hoping there was at least a small chance they'd be able to get back in class. But learning today that will not be the case.
Thank you, Governor.
Thursday afternoon, state leaders made it official.
So today I am announcing that all K-12 schools in Indiana shall provide instruction via remote learning for the remainder of the 1920 school year.
Yeah, what's my question?
The hope was for classes to maybe resume next month, but with the trajectory of COVID-19 cases, it's just not possible.
Obviously, we had been planning for both scenarios, but hearing the reality of it today on the governor's press conference from Dr. Jennifer McCormick certainly hit home.
Dr. Jeff Butts is the superintendent of Wayne Township Schools. They and all school systems will still have to make sure students complete at least 160 days of instruction. They'll use e-learning to make that happen.
Learning is not over. The school year is not over. This continues on, and in order for students to move on, to not be penalized, they need to complete their work and make sure that they're earning those credits that the teachers are assigning.
He's disappointed it's come to this, and so are students.
I've had this roller coaster of emotions, but a lot of it is frustration and anger and sadness.
Katie Berry is a senior at Southport High School. The state says she'll still be able to earn her diploma, but everything that goes along with it, prom and walking across the stage, probably won't happen.
You just can't explain it because you look forward to it and you just can't ever get that back.
If there's one positive for Berry, it's all only strengthened her post-high school plans to get into healthcare.
I've always wanted to help people, so I think that with all of this happening, it just kind of encourages that side of work.
And in the coming days, school districts should be sending out information to students and families about how to complete required coursework. IPS says they expect to release their home learning plan tomorrow. Scott.
Alan, thanks. New tonight at 11, another U.S. doctor is listing Indiana as an emerging hotspot for the coronavirus. Dr. Deborah Birx made that announcement at the White House today. It's all based on the percentage of Hoosiers testing positive for the coronavirus. Indiana has now tested more than 16,000 people. More than 3,000 Hoosiers are now confirmed cases. That's about 19% of Hoosiers testing positive. As of tonight, coronavirus cases are found in 84 of our 92 counties, and there are 5 counties with more than 100 cases. Here in Marion County, the hardest hit county in our state, 1,304 cases of COVID-19. Hamilton County, you've got 207. Hendricks County, 116. Johnson County, 126. And up in the northwest part of our state, up in Lake County, 215. Sadly, our death toll has gone up. As of tonight, 78 Hoosiers have died from COVID-19. A week ago, that number was just 17. And today, Governor Eric Holcomb urged Hoosiers to take this pandemic seriously.
Don't be a denier. Don't deny the facts. It's at your own peril, but it's also at everyone else that you love and is around you's peril. So get with a program.
Governor Holcomb says he's planning an update on the statewide stay-at-home order tomorrow afternoon at 2:30. And I've got an update for you tonight from our 13 Investigates team about the spread of coronavirus inside nursing homes across Indiana. We've got new numbers from the Indiana's health commissioner tonight showing 76 positive cases between 29 different long-term care facilities. More than a third of those cases are in one nursing home. Otterbein Senior Life in Franklin confirms tonight they've got 28 people who've tested positive, including residents, staff, and contractors. A dozen others are still waiting on test results. Much needed help is now coming to small businesses tomorrow. A $350 billion lending program will keep businesses afloat and cover the payroll to keep people employed. All of this coming after the release of staggering unemployment numbers across the country. Look at this. 6.6 million Americans filed for unemployment last week alone. That's almost the entire population of Indiana. Today's filing doubles the record that was set last week. The IRS plans to start sending out those emergency one-time direct payments to Americans 1 week from today. And look at this, a touching thank you tonight for healthcare workers across central Indiana. People parked in these cars, determined to show appreciation from a safe distance. Tonight, our Emily Longnecker shows us how much this small act of support really means to the people out on the front lines of the fight against COVID-19.
So great to see all of you here.
They were apart.
Let's honk our horns and say thank you.
But together. Hundreds of people sitting in their cars, headlights on, outside IU West Hospital in Avon Thursday night.
We're not allowed to be around each other, but we're closer than ever. It's just a really great thing to see.
All of them there for a prayer vigil for the people sick inside and those trying to make them better.
This is a hard time to be a patient. Imagine being in a hospital when, for safety reasons, your friends and family can't come to visit you like they normally would.
Instead, this is what support looks like in the time of COVID-19. People staying at a safe distance, all of them tuning into a local radio station to hear the same prayers and words of encouragement.
This is a really big demonstration of community support and how much people care about us, and that we're not alone in this, and that there are lots of people thinking about us and supporting us as we take care of our patients and stay committed to our profession of caring.
This vigil isn't the only way that this community has shown support. Folks have ordered food and had it delivered to the hospital. They've also sent notes on red hearts that nurses have hung outside the rooms of patients in the ICU.
This is not a time that you are alone. This is a time that we're here for you. And we appreciate you all so much.
So I don't want anyone to underestimate the importance of a kind word or a prayer or a card or a note. Those things are all really, really important to the team as we stay very committed to this work and to our patients.
And just as important, say hospital staff, the public's commitment to stay at home and take this pandemic seriously.
Lord, give comfort to those that have lost loved ones.
Doing so, they say, will save lives.
To the patients, we love you.
Maybe even your own or that of someone you love.
So much for all you do.